When we talk about incident response and threat detection, most of us only talk about doing things on Windows, but exploring things in Linux and of course on the cloud front is pretty unusual that everyone talks about. So in coming webinar or 2 days bootcamp that I'm personally going to take, we are going to explore a lot of Linux use cases spawns in terms of audit logs, authentication logs, your SUID bits, your sticky bits, your SGID bits, how to understand privilege escalation in those logs, what are the meaning of SUID, what are the meaning of UID, what is the even meaning of EUID. That we are going to talk about little bit on the Docker side, how a privilege escalation happens on Docker, and as a threat detector, how you can respond to this, how you can even detect if someone is trying to bypass the Docker, meaning someone is trying to escalate the privileges and try to get some foothold out of Docker and get into the host machine. And finally, we are going to talk about the things what usually you should be doing on incident response in cloud. Let's assume a scenario that you are working on a guard duty alert. The alert, as soon as it comes in, if it is related to a EC2 or virtual machine, you put the virtual machine in containment, you capture the forensic evidences, you capture the memory logs, and you get a Slack notification also that the machine has been contained. So how you can write those automation playbooks in AWS in a practical manner, I'm going to show you all of those things. So please mark the dates. I am going to do this bootcamp. The dates are coming in front of your screen right now, and the registrations are open. There's gonna be a live bootcamp, so seats are limited. If you are really interested to game up your Linux incident response, Linux forensics, Linux memory investigation, log investigation, and Docker log investigation. And not only that, if you want to game up your cloud investigation as well, automation as well, this is the bootcamp for you. So please register before the seats runs out. I will see you in the other side.